Hey everyone, it is Jill Diamond and I am here with the flow framework. This is the 6th framework in the Diamond method, and it's really where we start to get into fluency. So here we go. Let's take a look at what you need to do to work with the flow framework in the Diamond method. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose a short paragraph from a book or a journal or an article, preferably a topic that interests you. Then you're going to look for any written contractions, and I want you to highlight those. From there, identify the most common reductions. Those would be reductions like wanna, gonna, have to, and they may not be written that way, so you're going to look for those types of reductions and highlight those as well. You're going to mark the paragraph with linking. And then make notes on all the words that contain the American flap sound. Once you've done all of these things, then you're going to read this passage over and over, and dare I say over and over again, until you feel like it flows. This is the best way for you to practice flow and learn the Diamond method. So go for it. Good luck. Use this channel to find other videos about fluency and flow so that you can really excel at your spoken English. And remember to like, to share, subscribe to my channel with notifications so that we can stay together through this great year. All right, all the best. Thanks for watching. Bye.